FNIRSI S1, it is a CATIII 1000V 9999 count 2 RMS multimeter. Inside have a rechargeable battery, 3.7V 1000mA battery. It is a Type-C charge. It can work at about 5 hours. Its size is a 143 x 75 x 29mm. It weighs 150 grams. It includes the battery. Test pan is a CATIII 1000V 20M. PVC cable, 89 cm long, 4mm plug. DC watt is a 0.75V to 1000V. AC watt is a 0.75V to 1000V. Resistor is a 0.1 ohm to 100 megaohm. Continuity max is 100 ohm. When lesser than 50 ohm may be B-sound on. Temperature is minus 20 degrees C to 1K degrees C. Capacitor is 0.001 nF to 10 MF. Frequency is 0.001 Hz and 1K kHz. And die output voltage is 3.2V and 1 mA. It has auto power off function. When not use the meter, 15 minutes may be auto close off the meter. Okay, let's see the meter. This is the box of the FNIRSI meter. And inside they have a QR code for the software and the firmware, but this time no any software or firmware download. And then they have a user menu and a QR code. And a pad of the pass card. And a thank you card of the support. And have a QR code for change the meter or record to the in the web. It is the after sale card. Okay, and come with a Type-C charge cable, short time, not very long. Let's see it. About 60 inch about. And then they have a test pan. Let's see the test pan. E20M 1000V. And they have a cap cover and very soft of this of test pan. It in cold pad for you the electron testing. And there's a soft PVC cable, not silicone. And they have a wide angle 4mm plug. Okay, let's see the meter. There is the meter. There is the light check and NCV test button, and that is the select key, and that is the hold key and the flashlight key. And the input jet, no any color coding in the inside, and there's a white thread corner. And then they have another QR code of this meter. It's like a cell phone. And that is the flashlight, and that is NCV corner, and the power on switch, and that is the Type-C input jack for charging the meter. Plug in inside for charging. Okay, let's open the meter. That is power on. Long part is power on. Try again. That is power on. And part in the left corner, one part is NCV. One part again is light hot white check. And the select key may be changed to the auto wing and the manual wing. One part DC, part again AC, part again is die and continuity, part again is capacity, and then frequency, and the temperature wing. Further wing, but this meter not include the temperature sensor, not include the battery sensor. And the last, return to the auto. And this key in the right side is a hold key. Then maybe hold the data. And long parts maybe the flashlight on. But the flashlight also not very dim, not very bright, sorry. Okay, let's try the meter. And auto function test. Now test the DC. ISO 9.24 volt DC, and a resistor. ISO 40.6 ohm, and the AC. ISO 221 volt. And 49.99 Hz. Okay, next test. Weapon DC voltage test. Now 2.5 volt. Let's see this meter. In auto mode, ISO 2.5 not stable. 2, okay. Let's see the 5 volt. 5.001 volt. 7.5 volt. ISO 7.5 volt. ISO accuracy 10 volt. ISO 9.996 volt of this meter. And let's see the manual mode. Now it's a manual mode. ISO 2.49 is also not stable. Try again. ISO 2.494 in low wing. Or 5. Okay, 5 watt. ISO 4.987, 7.5 watt. ISO 7.482 watt, 10 watt. ISO 9.974 watt. Okay, other tests. Normal AC test in auto mode. ISO 221.6 or 5 watt. Need a foot reading. And see the manual mode. Now it's in manual mode. ISO 221.9 near the foot reading. And now see the walk up. It a little bit lower than the speed of the fruit. It's okay. Next test. NCV test. It must be put on this week once and have a VALE come out. And let's see the meter. It about 25 mm have a 1 bar, and 4 LED come out. And knee is a 2 bar, 8 LED come out. And touch is a 3 bar mix. Okay, the sensitivity is normal. And let's see the sensitivity of the cable. It also about 2 cm. And when send the hotline, maybe mixed bar, 3 bar. Okay. Next test. Live hot wire check. When live hot wire check, it must be put on this way to the live hot wire. Now it's a live hot wire test. And let's see. Normal, use the wet test and see the neutral. No. F no. Hot wire. They have a B sound and a 3 bar light come out. Neutral. F no. And let's see another test pen. For the back test lead, neutral, no, F, no, hot wire, they can find the hot wire. Okay, next test. Die function mode test. In die mode, the output is 3.495 watt. Its short test lead is 0.2 and have a B sound. Okay, let's see the tie test. It's a normal die. It's so 0.513 watt. It's very okay. And let's see the die test function light on the LED. .76 watt, 1.8, 1.9, about 2.5 and 2.5. Okay, you can light on the LED. And let's see the continuity. It's 40 ohm. You can 50 ohm. You can 25 ohm. ISO 25.2. 30 ohm. ISO 30 ohm. Okay. And let's see the latching of this meter. It's about 61.9 dB max. Normal is about 50. About 53. And let's see the latching. If so far that no any response, only the digit come out. 1, 1. It also far and tend to the 0.1. It you about 1 second. Okay, let's see another test. This meter makes continuity resistor is 70 ohm. We see that. Now 70 ohm. You have with the reading when 80. You cannot read the resistor. Okay. Capacitor test. Let's see the reference first. And this meter show 121mV. And let's see the foot. Foot is 0.121 Fv. It needs a foot. And now see the normal capacitor. That is a weapon capacitor 10. Decharge it first. It's so 10.68. Okay. Now it's 1,000. ISO 1.134 megaFarad. And let's see the bigger. ISO 2.019 megaFarad. ISO accuracy. Okay, next test. In resistor ring, this meter only in the auto mode, no another, no manual mode. And let's see the reference of the resistor and check it for the resistor first. And this meter shows 5K ohm. And let's see the foot. It also shows the 5K ohm. And let's see the meter for the low resistor of the 0.5 ohm. And this meter short test is 0 ohm. And try it. It shows 0.7 ohm. And let's see the fault. Fault must be verify the meter first. And now it's a 0.15. Okay. Let's test it. Sorry. It shows 0.5 ohm. Okay. Next test. For the bigger resistor, 1 ohm. ISO 1. Sorry. 1.2. 10 ohm. ISO 10.4. 10.4K. ISO 10.0V. And 2 meg. ISO 1999mA. 22 meg. ISO 22.51mA. 40 meg. ISO 41.71. And 60, it over. No any reading come out. Okay, next test. And this meter minimum hertz is 1.1 hertz in 1.5 watt. And this meter makes frequency about 25 megahertz. If bigger than are unstable. Okay. Temperature test. Now FUB is 27.2 degrees C, and unity is 26.9, And this meter not come with the temperature sensor, no. And we use a cheap temperature sensor for connect for testing the temperature function. This is a cheap temperature sensor, and it must be selected to the temperature ring. Now it is in temperature ring in cells. Now so the reading is 28 of this meter. Now 27. Wait a minute for stable. It about 27 near the foot reading. And now see the cool water of this meter for testing. Compare of 3 meter. Now we see for the cool water. For this meter, so 9 degrees C, and for also about 8.9, 8.8, and unity is 9.3 degrees C. Okay, now see the hot water. Sorry. Now see the hot water. Now is in hot water. This meter shows 70 degrees C, and foot is 71.9 degrees C, and unity 71.0. Now, okay. And now see this meter in high temperature. We use a top for testing the high temperature. Now superheat 500 and cool down. Okay. Test finished. Next test. High DC voltage test. 100 watt. And this meter shows 95 or 96 watt. $250 watt. And this meter shows 272 or 3 watt. And foot is 276 watt. 500 watt. And this meter shows 525.7 watt. And the foot reading is 526 watt. Okay. And now go on high test. 1K watt. It's overload and have a warning sign. 8050 watt. USB charge current test. The meter have a charge port at the top, and put the cable inside. They may be in charge. It about 0.42 M. When power on, they may not function in charging. Okay, next test. Meter T down. The case in the back have 4 screws. They have 4 screws. When open it, and they have a angle in this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Maybe cap the meter. You can put off the meter. But you are 2, and there is a NCV antenna of the meter. And let's see the meter. Inside have a LITHIUM battery. That is the LITHIUM battery. And some main component inside. And the LCD driver, PTC, and the control relay, and the buzzer. Okay, let's open the meter. And now open the meter. That is the backlight. That is the Type-C charger. There is the back side of the board and cover with black. It with a soft touch key on this wing. And there is the soft keypads and the LCD screen and the waypoint. Okay, we try to open the battery. Okay. It's in the board. Okay. And now we open the battery compartment. And let's see the downside. There is the battery downside. It's a S1 V 0.2 of this meter. Okay, T down finish. Power consumption test. Supply is 4.1 watt. And let's see the mixed power draw. Of this meter, mixed power draw is 76.98 milliamp. And normal is 59 or 60 milliamp. And let's see, open the torch. Now open the torch. It's about 66 or 65 milliamp. Now close off. And now we supply the voltage to the meter. And it shows 0.75 watt. And rising up. Now supply is 1.05. I step down to 1 watt. Now it's in 1 watt. It draws 66.9 milliamp. And now see the meter battery load function. Now 4.1, 4 watt, 3.9, 3.8, 3.7, 3.5. It may be battery low. 3.5 watt battery low. We checked it. This meter have a problem. If you first time supply a voltage in the terminal jack and turn on the power, they may not show the reading. Like this, it cannot show any reading. The supply reference voltage is 0.75 watt and no any reading come out. And when you put off, it will send the voltage. Now it will send the voltage. Okay. And auto power off test. And this meter, when not used in 15 minutes, there may be auto power off. And this logo may be auto power off. And this meter cannot be turned off the auto power off function. If you the normal way to cancel the auto power off, they not function. I try to see it. The normal way is put the select key and power on. And now the meter cannot go to the auto cancel the auto power off function. It must be go to kill function by pressing the select key again. Then maybe in the kill mode. Now in the kill mode, and now have data come out, and there may be wait a time for stop, and we see the kill function now. When the digit okay, maybe power off the meter, maybe we set to the normal function, and don't do any kill for this one because they maybe destroy the meter, the reading, and I wait for the stable. And when stable, they may be about stop the meter. And don't do any kill of the meter. If do that, then maybe not accuracy. And now it must be use the key, the power on off key to power off the meter. And power on again, that may be in normal function. And now time we see the auto power off function now. Now start. Okay, we are video speed up now. The meter now turned down. NCV test. It about 28 mm have 1 bar. Near is 2 bar. In touch is 3 bar.